Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Banks are considered one of the safest places to store money. They provide security, online banking, easy transactions, and smooth access to your funds. But behind this comfort, there's something most people do not notice. Small hidden charges are quietly deducted from your account and slowly reduce your savings. These charges are often designed in a way that you do not easily notice them. They blend into your daily banking activities, and over time, they can take away a good portion of your money without you realizing it. In this video, we will understand the most common hidden bank fees and how they affect your personal finance and savings. One of the most common charges is monthly maintenance fees. Many banks advertise zero balance accounts, but they still require a minimum balance. If your account goes below that limit, the bank automatically deducts a monthly fee. Over time, this becomes a regular loss for customers who maintain low balances. Another major charge is overdraft fees. This happens when you spend more money than available in your account. Some banks still approve the transaction and later charge a high penalty fee. Multiple transactions can create multiple fees in one day, leading to a big financial loss from a small mistake. There's also something called insufficient funds fees. Even when the transaction is not completed due to low balance, some banks still charge you for the attempt. This means you lose money even when no purchase is made. ATM fees are another hidden cost. When you use an ATM outside your bank network, both your bank and the ATM owner may charge a fee. Even small withdrawals become expensive over time, especially for frequent users. Card transaction fees also reduce your money silently. Online shopping, international payments, and subscriptions may include foreign transaction fees or currency conversion charges. These small percentages add up over time and reduce your savings. Paper statement fees are another hidden charge. Many banks charge you monthly for printed statements or physical documents. Even basic services like branch assistance or printed records can include extra costs. Savings accounts also have withdrawal limits. If you exceed the allowed number of transactions, the bank applies extra charges. Many people trigger these fees unknowingly while transferring money for bills or expenses. Inactive account fees are also common. If you do not use your account for a long time, banks may charge dormancy fees instead of closing it. This slowly reduces your balance without any activity. Wire transfer fees can be very high, especially for international transfers. Banks charge fixed fees, and sometimes other banks involved also deduct additional charges. This makes sending money abroad more expensive than expected. Foreign exchange fees are another hidden cost. Banks do not use real market exchange rates. Instead, they add hidden margins, which reduces the value of your money during currency conversion. Minimum balance penalties are another common issue. If your account balance falls below the required limit, the bank charges a fee. This affects many middle-class and low-income users the most. Return check or bounce deposit fees are also charged even if you are not responsible for the failed payment. Both sides may end up paying penalties for the same transaction. Card replacement fees and emergency delivery charges are also hidden costs. If you lose your debit card, replacing it or getting fast delivery may cost extra money. Some banks also charge account closure fees if you close your account early after opening it. These charges are often hidden in terms and conditions. In conclusion, hidden bank fees may look small, but they can slowly reduce your savings over time. Understanding these charges is important for better financial management and smart money saving. If you stay aware, read your bank terms carefully, and manage your account wisely, you can protect your money and improve your financial future. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful finance content.